I have been working for Tuscaloosa County School System for 20 years. This is my 20th year. My favorite part of my work is when I see someone I'm working with, the light bulb goes off, like they finally understand what they're being taught. That's probably my most favorite. My most difficult part of my job is making sure I keep on schedule, making sure I make it to the room on time, and if I'm absent, letting someone know so my kids will be covered. My son. I started out working with children with autism. Then it progressed to working with children with other disabilities to where I'm at now. A successful day at work is making sure that all the kids I work with get their time with me and that they're learning. Impactful to me would be building a relationship with them where they can trust me and know that I'm here for them to help them with anything they need.
So, being here in the science classroom, she was moved in here with me a couple of years ago. So I worked with her, I think it's been 2 years, but probably a little longer than that, just in terms of supporting students. So she's been incredible to work with. Nice, she brings a new energy to the classroom, and I think it's understated her value in a classroom as far as helping with students that need help. Not only is she there for special ed students, but she's there for general ed students, and just takes a load off the teacher in terms of managing the classroom, able to walk out and handle business, and if I ever need to go to the office or copy or the bathroom or anything like that, she's always here to support and help, and she's sometimes the star of the show. Days her subs here, she literally takes control of the program and makes the class operate. So invaluable resource, and I can't say enough. This award that she's got, she just underscores every aspect of it, so deserving, and it's been long overdue for her. So I'm very proud and excited that she's being recognized because she is so deserving. So.